So let's get started with the basics. What is a reverse mortgage? Well, a reverse mortgage is a way to turn the equity locked in your home into tax-free cash without having to make any monthly payments. The funds you receive can be used for almost anything, including paying off your existing mortgage, eliminating credit card debt, paying medical or other bills, or simply improving your home or lifestyle. The choice is absolutely yours.
I decided I wanted to get a reverse mortgage because so many things were happening in the world that made the economy very unstable, and the fact that I am in my late 70s at this point, so it seemed like a very practical thing to do.
Already used by more than 500,000 people across the United States, a reverse mortgage is a government-insured product that lets you or your parents gain financial independence from our ever-increasing living expenses. And the best part? You retain complete ownership of your home. Reverse mortgages are a safe and secure financial tool. But sometimes a few misconceptions come up about this product, so let's go over them and some common questions so you can understand the facts. The most common concern we hear is, can I lose my home? No, you cannot lose your home. You remain the owner of your home and can stay in your home as long as you wish. When the home is sold, the loan is repaid, including any interest and fees, and the remaining equity goes to you or your heirs. Another common question is, what if I have a mortgage already? Well, that's fine. If you qualify, a reverse mortgage will first pay off your existing mortgage and then give you the remaining proceeds. That means no more monthly mortgage payments. And in fact, this is a common reason for using a reverse mortgage in the first place. Next, will my Social Security or Medicare benefits be affected? Well, it's best to consult your financial and tax advisor, but generally, Social Security and Medicare are not affected, although some needs-based benefits, such as Medicaid and supplemental security income, may be affected. And an important question for everyone involved is, will my children lose their inheritance? The loan is repaid once the last remaining borrower moves out of the home. Normally, the home is sold, the loan, including interest and any fees, is repaid, and the remaining equity is left to do with as you wish. And probably the one everyone asks eventually is, how much money could I get? Well, the amount depends on your age, your home value, current interest rates, and the location of your home. So now let's talk about how you qualify for a reverse mortgage. It's simple and easy. Qualifying depends on these important factors. You have to be 62 years or older, and you have to own your own home and live in it. It must be your principal residence. For caregivers, there are different concerns for your parents or loved ones, and we understand that you have your own questions. We know that family is really what matters most, and taking care of them is important. So you might have some of your questions answered, but you're now wondering, how do I get started? Well, the first step is to understand if a reverse mortgage suits you. Our advisors will take you through a free, no-obligation financial snapshot of your situation. We'll tell you how much you could qualify for, and then help you decide on the next best step. The U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development requires all reverse mortgage applicants to undergo reverse mortgage counseling. Now, with a counseling certificate, the application process will be completed. We will be happy to help you with the application and answer any questions along the way. Next, schedule an appraisal to determine the value of your property, a standard practice for any mortgage application. It will then be added to your application and submitted for underwriting review. And you're almost done. Once approval is given, a closing agent will contact you to sign the final documents, and plans for disbursement of your funds can be made.
My family situation was such that I really didn't have anybody to leave my house to. So I was looking at a way to, keep my house and enjoy it and have an added benefit. The reverse mortgage provided that.
It has made us where we are closer together. We have found out that we can be around each other 24/7.
Misgivings, or not misgivings so much as concerns at first, but when I realized it was backed by the government, I thought, well, maybe it's something I should check into.
Completing the reverse mortgage meant for me no more monthly mortgage payments, which was wonderful. That's a huge relief. And so I'm very grateful.
The reverse mortgage means so much to me because it is going to allow us to do things that we never thought we could do.
With my reverse mortgage monies, I enjoy not just a financial freedom, but an emotional freedom too.
If anyone else is in that situation considering reverse mortgage, I would say do more than consider.
My recommendation to anybody that's thinking about reverse mortgage is do it. Do something about it. Check it out. It doesn't cost anything. You won't lose anything. And at the end of the day, you might be pleasantly surprised, like I was.